Civil aviation is a key infrastructure sector that facilitates the growth of business, seamless flow of investment, trade, and tourism, with significant multiplier effects across the economy. The aviation sector is one of the prime movers for economic growth and a strategic element of employment generation, besides providing air transport for passengers and goods. Over a third of world trade by value is delivered by air, and about half of international tourism is facilitated by air links. Aviation has created a global community based on the connectivity it provides. In a world of decreasing barriers to trade, the civil aviation industry remains a unique engine for innovation and technological progress, one that provides infrastructure that keeps the nation competitive. Rapidly expanding air transport network and opening up of the airport infrastructure to private sector participation have fueled the growth of the air traffic in India. The Indian airport system is poised to handle 336 million domestic and 85 million international passengers by 2020, making India the third largest aviation market in the world. To spur the growth of international air travel, the government has taken substantial steps to liberalize and grant traffic rights to Indian carriers to fly to several new destinations across the globe. The new traffic rights have increased the overall traffic entitlement of airlines by approximately 60% over the existing traffic rights. Another important move that has accelerated the modernization and development process is the privatization of 5 major airports under PPP mode and the policy of development of greenfield airports, which envisages synergy between the public and private sector. Moreover, to develop civil aviation in India and further facilitate the functioning of the sector, series of policy reform decisions are under consideration. These include getting ATF declared as notified product and bringing transparency in its pricing, rationalization of bilateral air service agreements with different countries, traffic entitlements on international routes to Indian carriers, creation of separate Air Navigation Services Corporation from AAI to make it more effective, efficient, and professional body, creation of a Civil Aviation Authority in place of DGCA, and creation of a separate Civil Aviation Security Force, which is professionally trained for the work of civil aviation. Considering the growth prospects of air traffic, potential for large-scale acquisition of aircrafts by the carriers, and substantial investment projections, Indian aerospace market offers tremendous long-term opportunities for providing maintenance, repair, and overhaul services, ground handling services, manpower training, building an efficient airspace and air traffic management system, air cargo services, establishing aircraft design and manufacturing centers, etc. Furthermore, currently the air travel penetration in India is only 0.04 air trips per capita per annum, which is far behind countries like US and Austria, which have more than air trips per capita per annum. China and Brazil have 0.3 air trips per capita per annum. The gap between potential and current air travel penetration highlights the huge potential for the air traffic growth in India, considering a relatively higher trajectory of economic growth coupled with necessary government support.